This is a vineyard built by scattering the grapevine models provided in the video description as a link to a Blender kit scene. Information about how to use the models is provided a bit further in this video. Light paths need transparent bounces higher than the default of 8. Let's say 20. Grapevine shape is curve-based. Curve radius is used to set the thickness of the trunk and branches. Tree distortion allows for shape variation of a given grapevine. Leaf density and leaf scale are self-explanatory. The next 4 parameters control color variation of the leaves. Let's start without color variation and focus on the start color. Shift color. Start should be the dominant color of a leaf. Shift color end is the destination color for the start color, but it will affect other colors as well. Color variation adds noise to the shift for each individual leaf. Focus on start will reduce the shift for colors that are different from the start color.